Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing LinkTube, a tool that claims to host unlimited links on smartpage business portfolio to increase engagement and sales. So LinkTube, it's a Biolink alternative to Linktree, so you'll be able to build a smart page to host all your links and track performance right from your mobile phone. The deal is pretty easy to understand. So another Biolink with no branding, okay? And if you get more codes, you get more smart page, which will be one Biolink. And also get more titles, videos. If you get at least 2 codes, this is important to know. You get you get unlimited products instead of 15. Okay, so it's pretty much it's worth to buy the 2 codes deal if you want a tool like that, and you also get more tracked links per month. Okay, you can buy up to 5 codes where you get more links, more videos, more projects, etc. So let's take a look how the tool works. I'm here on LinkTube, and here are the projects. You can create a new project just clicking on the button here and add a new name to the project, and it's done. Okay, when you create a new project, you will have all your biolinks inside those projects, and it's using the project that you're going to add your custom domain. So for instance, if you want 5 custom different domains, so you need at least 5 different projects to create your links between them. Okay, so to create a new link, you click on create. You can see that they have different kinds of templates. Okay, bookstore templates here, for instance, supermarket templates, or you can build from scratch. Let's start from scratch for the sake of that review. You're going to add your username, that will be your link to hashtag. Remember that you can create your own custom domain to use on your links. You can change the appearance of your link here. Okay, on SEO, you can change title, descriptions, you can add GDPR compliance, you can show if they are sensitive content or not, and you can remove the branding. You can add pixels as well, okay? So Facebook pixels, for instance, and also UTM parameters to better track the visitors on your website. So let's create a link. First thing you're going to do is drop your image here. That will be your avatar. For instance, just dropped one image here. So I have an image there. And you can add different sections, messengers, social links, and newsletter. Okay, so for newsletter, you can add MailChimp as integration, Google Sheets, or Zapier. You're going to add the newsletter feature to capture email to your newsletter. Let's see the messenger. You're going to add here your email, for instance, your phone number, your Facebook Messenger username, your WhatsApp number, Telegram, etc. And then just click on Save to appear here above. You can add your social links, for instance, Twitter, your Instagram, YouTube channel URL, and click on Save. It will show up here on your bio link as well. Okay, you can change the order the way that you want, just drag and drop. You can add a title here in the description. It will show up here. So it's pretty easy to create. So which kind of sections you can create? You can add button with title or cards. Okay, so just a button, paste the link here. You can also add icon, animate, or you can add like a card. Okay, I'm going to select one website here. It will update accordingly. You can also animate it like bouncing and add the card there. Okay, the card is bouncing. You can add videos as well. So just type the link of your video here. It will get the data automatically, and you can change the appearance as well, customizing the styles, for instance, the color, text alignment, text color, and you just add it here. So it's pretty easy, as you can see, to create a link using LinkTube. You can add your feeds, your YouTube channel feed, Shopify store feed, or your WordPress feed. You also can add products here for sale. So I've added the product of my store here. You can add the price here to show up here. Just add your product. Those are the LinkTube feature. Remember that they also have a newsletter. You can create feeds to show up your new videos, your new product stores. It works like that. To publish your link, just click here and then you just go to your URL and you can see your link and everything working properly. Okay, if you like that review, please click on the link below in the description to help me to keep going. Thank you so much.